In this video, I will be showing you how to find and use Wispr Flow promo codes to save money on your next purchase. Let's get started. I've arrived at the Wispr Flow coupons page, and I can see that the codes have been recently updated to ensure they are fully functional for all users. Right at the top, there are 3 distinct verified offers to choose from, including a 15% off site-wide discount, which is currently the best offer available. Below that, I find a 10% off site-wide code and a $15 discount on selected items at the shop. As I scroll down the page, I can read through the store's background information. Wispr Flow is a premier AI-driven dictation tool built for professionals who need to draft emails and documents quickly and with high accuracy. It's designed to match the speed of human thought, allowing for a seamless and highly efficient workflow. Continuing further, I find a helpful tutorial section that explains exactly how to apply these coupons during the checkout process. This ensures that I won't run into any issues when trying to secure my savings at the very end of my purchase. Now, I'm heading back to the top to select my specific discount. I'll click on the green Get Code button for the 15% off deal, which will reveal the specific promo code I need to copy for my order. This is the simplest way to get the best possible price on your professional productivity software. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.